Magra-ride lang kami sa Tagaytay.
We're going
What's
to
up?
Tagaytay and have a nice night tonight.
Yes, we're
Nice
gonna have a
ride.
great night tonight.
Yes.
Ride into Tagaytay with Brother Art
Hey,
over
hey.
here.
Yeah, hey.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay. So, peace out. See you later.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ha?
Ang marami checkpoint.
Marami ba? Okay lang yan. Alright, stop over muna kami dito sa Petron, sa may buhay na tubig.
Buhay na tubig.
Okay. Pagas lang si Brother Art. Okay. Okay. Fire. Woo! So it's a Friday night today. Yes, Friday night guys, and we're going to Tagaytay. Favorite part ng road ko guys, dito sa Nanghari. Ito yung Vermosa. Haha. Yes. Site ng bagong Lasal. Yan, ginagawa na yan. That's Lasal Subel. Dito sa may Imus, Cavite. Alright. Woohoo! Okay. Where's my brother? Alright, entering Dasma guys. Welcome to Dasmariñas. Alright. There's my bro right there. Yan, yung naka-Petron. Yan si Brother Art. He got the booze.
And have a nice night.
Yeah, shoutout nga pala sa isa pa natin bro, yung motovlogger na si Motobuds. Shoutout Motobuds. Yeah, please follow him in his page, Motobuds. That's MOTOBU Bravo Uniform Delta Zulu. Yung page niya, Motobuds. Oh, yun na. Okay. Dark mode na si Brother Art. Pagdating sa singitan, siya ang number 1. Alright. So anong oras na ba today? Well, it's almost 9 o'clock. I think it's already 9 o'clock. Kaya kung mapansin ninyo, yung mga traffic light ay hindi na siya ganun kadami. Parang some traffic lights are now turned off. Pero yung sa mga malalaking likuan like that, yung likuan papunta dun sa Lasal na hospital. So that's still on. Pero yung mga maliliit ay apparently it has been turned up already. Let's go. Kita niyo yung motor ni Art, di ba? Parang hindi siya modelo pero alam mo yon, ang bilis talaga niya magpaandar, di ba? talented yan, yung ating kaibigan na yan, na si Brother Art. Alright. Woohoo! Oops! Hey! Woo! Kakainiwala ni Brother Art. Yun na. Pala-pala guys. Ayan. Alright. Fire! Woo! Alright. Madilim ang gabi. Alright. Woo! Yan na. Nakikita ko na yung town marker. Yan. Sa dulo ng Dasma. Okay. City of Dasmariñas. Okay. So we're past City of Dasmariñas. Welcome to Silang, guys. Yes. Silang, Cavite. Right, Tagaytay Rotonda, guys. Alright, sobrang dilim na guys. Yeah. Yeah. Crosswinds. Are you seeing the clouds? Yeah. Alright, coffee project guys, ganda. Alright. Woohoo! Ang kapal ng ulap sa Tagaytay. Alright. What's up, what's up? Alright. Okay. Nakasara ang pinto. Alright. Parang multo no? Yeah. Okay.
Oo, talagang fog.
Oh, ano yan? Fog yan. Una ako
Oo, sige.
Ah.
Masyadong madilim yung ano.
Sige. May patibong na truck dun Kailangan ano tayo?
Oo, dadaan.
Ano na?
Ang huling panik ko.
Ano?
2015 pa.
2015?
Oo.
Hindi ko nga alam na nakapasok na tayo sa Palace Kasi last time doon pa lang nakasara na Oh, nung Friday doon pa lang sa baba. Kaya hindi ko na malayan Oh, puno pre. Yan. Right, may nakikita na akong ilaw. Yan yata ilaw ng truck. Ayan na. Alright. Dito, yan yung sarado. Dito yung saradura. Tara, na tayo. Okay. Salamat. Alright. Woo. Picture tayo dito, pre. Picture tayo. guys. Kita ninyo malabo ang lahat dito. It's not just clouds up in the sky. We're literally in the clouds, guys. Yeah, welcome to Tagaytay. Kung gusto niyo ng free aircon, free yung aircon ngayon sa Tagaytay, guys. Alright. There's Brother Art in the house.
Hallelujah.
Alright. Okay, we're in Coffee Project in Crossfields, as you can see, and we're gonna make our way back home sa Bacoor. Yeah, unfortunately, wala kaming pasalubong because all the fruit stands are closed already. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the typhoon yesterday. All right. So that's it, guys. See ya. Ciao.